There is a lot of misconception about Amazon product inserts, and it's because it is just like we were discussing. You have to think about the application of the insert and what the hell it's for. So let's just have a think about that. What insert should you use for your product? That depends what the hell you are selling. Here's what I mean. As a good rule of thumb, if you are selling a product that is a consumable product, aka you use it and then you have to replace it probably once a month or something like that, then what do you reckon is the very, very best insert thing to offer to somebody to get them to go to your website and opt into your list, whatever it might be? What do you reckon the best kind of thing to offer them would be if you're selling a product to them that they have to replenish? What's the best thing to offer them? Good work, guys. You guys are very, very smart. Well done. All right, so a discount off their next purchase. That's the best thing to offer them. If you've got a consumable product, the very, very best thing you can do is say, hey, here's 10%, whatever it might be. I don't know what the hell it is. 10 to 15% off your next purchase. All you need to do is go to this link and put in your details, and I'll email it to you. Dead easy. That's the best thing to do if you're selling a product that you use it up and it gets replenished again. And that just makes sense when you think about it, yeah? These things make sense when you think them through. Next, what about if you are selling a product that is a little bit complex and may require some help to use it properly? What's the best thing to offer in that situation, do you reckon? As an incentive for somebody to go to a website and give you their email address, what do you reckon you should offer in that situation? If your product is it's a little bit complex and you'll get maximum value from it if, an ebook, an instruction book, or an instruction video. That's right. Again, that's pretty obvious, don't you reckon? Like if you think about what your product is and it's a little bit complex, and if you're unsure if it's complex or not, give it to your mum. Give it to your mum. And if your mum can figure it out, it ain't complex. If she can't, it is complex. They need help. Don't give them any instructions, of course. All right, so you get the idea. All right, let's do one more. What about if you're selling a product that is a product that you'll keep for a very long time, and it's a product that you use over and over again, but you're going to keep it for like ever. You're just going to buy it once and keep it forever. What should you offer in that situation? What's the thing to offer in that situation? Yeah, you guys are smart. That's it. A warranty. A warranty is what you offer. Here, do you want to increase? You currently get a year. Would you like to increase that for free for 5 years? Or whatever it may be. That's how you think about these things and how you think it through. There is no, you should just do this. There is nothing like that. So hello, if you're looking for an easy solution where you don't have to think again. That doesn't exist. You've got to think about this stuff. And of course, you should not ask for a positive review in anything you do because you'll get yourself into trouble. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.